Let's get us another. Sit. Mark. Mark. Sit. Boom. He's a good boy, isn't he?
Yeah.
Right there. He likes to swim.
Yeah.
He's a good swimmer.
Yeah. He likes the water.
I know, he likes the water.
We're gonna put some fish in
Look
it.
how far he can swim out there.
Oh yeah, he's
All right, bull. All right, buddy. All right. Here. Come on, man. Atta boy. When he gets back, I'm gonna throw him a hop bumper, so just keep on going. Don't zoom or anything on it, so we keep recording. Atta boy, big man. All right, buddy. All right.
Stay behind me. Hold on to my leg.
Keith, you hadn't seen this pond. This is one I just built over the winter. I left all the sticks and stuff in it because it's a fishing pond, but it's also good for a puppy training pond too. Atta boy, buddy. Come on, here we go. Here we go. Atta boy. You're the man, aren't you? You're the man. You're the man. Sit. Sit. Atta boy. Sit. Mark. Sit.
Oh.
Good job. All right. Good job, buddy. Atta boy, fella. Atta boy. Atta boy, here. Here.